Hey y'all, how everybody doing today? I hope everybody doing good. So basically, I was just scrolling through TikTok one night because my little sister got me addicted, and I kept seeing everybody talk about this website called ShopMissA, where like everything is like $1 to like $1.55, and they were saying it was good. So basically, I took my little happy ass to ShopMissA. It was about 2 o'clock in the morning, and I was just buying stuff. It finally came in the mail, y'all. And yeah, so first I'm just going to open it up and show everything I got, and then I'm gonna do my makeup with it, and I'm gonna tell y'all if it's good or not. Because you know, even though it's $1, you still don't want to be that, them dollars be adding up. So I'm gonna tell y'all if it's good or not. So I got this AOA concealer, some setting spray, I got some lash glue, and I got some watermelon makeup wipes, y'all. Something that says this, I don't really know. Oh, okay, I remember this. So this is just like some pressed powder. It's in like a darker shade than me because I'm gonna use that to contour because I don't cream contour like that no more. Oh, and then this is just a little eyeshadow palette. It looks so much. This looked so big, y'all, on the website. It did not look like this, but this little fan brush, so you could do your highlight, girl. So I got this Beautiful Satin Foundation in the shade Amber. It looked like it's gonna match me. I guess they put like all the little stuff into like, put all the little stuff in like one bag like this. Alright, so this is the eyeliner pencil. It's brown. I got this so I can line my lips. Then I got this Surprise lip gloss called Lip Pop. This is another concealer in the color Fawn. I got it in the color Fawn because when I be buying that like Girl Pro concealer, it be in the color Fawn, so I figured it would match me. Hopefully it does. Oh, this is some Wonder Skin Poreless Primer. This is some Wonder Brow. It's brow eyebrow pomade. I hope this works because I'm actually almost out of the one I usually use. I don't even remember ordering no brown lip gloss because I don't wear brown lip gloss, but whatever. This is a highlighter. Don't remember ordering this either. They got that Forever 21 shipping. Oh, this is a lip scrub. I remember ordering this. Setting powder. I got it in the shade Banana. I got some blush. So yeah, I guess we're gonna get started. I'm gonna just do like a regular makeup. And yeah, hopefully this turned out good. Cause y'all, I'm a little scared. So I'm just gonna start off by like brushing my eyebrows out. This stuff is really cute. Like I feel like if it worked good though. But I feel like if it worked good, this would be so cute to like buy like your daughter or your sister. Like you can make them like a little makeup kit for like under $30. And you know, help them get started. Yo, I'm kind of scared because it's like so like movable. Like it move a lot. I just want to know like why if I press decline on your call, why are you calling me back? Like, can somebody please answer me that? Like, it wasn't no mistake. If I press decline, don't blow my phone up. Like, I'm obviously busy. This actually look kind of cute. I'm not even gonna lie. Okay. The TikTok girlies, y'all might have did something. Y'all might have did something, okay? I was kind of like these little, I haven't seen tubes like this in forever. So I'm just gonna take a little bit on the back of my hand. like that. And we gonna use it. I feel like it's gonna be good. Like, I'm getting less and less scared. Like, a lot of people might not be scared now. A lot of people might not be scared. Okay? Alright, let's see.
Okay. Okay, not too shabby. Not too shabby, okay?
Let's see.
Mm.
And I'm putting this all over my eyelid because I'm gonna use this like eyeshadow primer.
I'm just putting it all over.
Y'all, like, what? This might be better than the LA Girl Pro Conceal.
I really like this concealer. Like, I'm gonna start using this like every day. Like, and I'm not even lying.
Y'all, this looks really good. It's definitely better than that e.l.f. camo concealer I've been. This is the shade Fawn that I think is gonna be my actual skin tone. Well,
Get hot outside.
out with this Real Techniques brush. I feel like this really an eyeshadow brush, but it really blend out your concealer. It's so good, y'all.
Real good.
I should have ordered a spoolie. Oh yeah, I was gonna order a spoolie off of there, but like, y'all, a lot of stuff was sold out. Cause y'all know once something get on TikTok, y'all, or once somebody like famous or like YouTube famous, they bring something up, you cannot find it. Oh, now I'm just taking the Wonder Skin, the poreless primer. Let's see if it really make a bitch look poreless because my pores been looking fat as hell lately. Ooh, it's cold. This foundation, I really hope it match me, y'all. Like, if it don't match me, I'm gonna be so sad.
Okay. Okay, y'all. Why this match? I don't feel like the way it's new. Like, I really did. It's been decent. Like, it don't look like total trash.
Underneath my eyebrows, and we gonna highlight.
I done a little bit too much, but whatever. Bitch, give it straight, Michael Jackson. No.
It's too light, but it's okay. I can fix that. I can fix you. There, my stomach growing. That is so good, with it. Just do like a little bit, so it won't be too bright. But I always do this because I never like any concealers. See y'all, and it's fixed. I told you I could fix it. I could fix you.
It's way better than the ugly ass. Use my makeup. I don't know what's going on here. Like, I love this hair. I don't know what to do. Okay. Now, like, I put more right here because that's how I get, like, oily everywhere. Okay. Oh, bitch. Did I use my fucking blush brush? Bitch.
Not giving cute. It was not giving the girls what they needed. But yeah, this is this one. Yeah.
I don't really know what to wrong. I don't know, it's not giving cute.
Look, the bottle look like. Y'all, everybody keep calling me like right now. Literally everybody. I mean, I don't look that bad, but I feel like, I don't know. It's not giving me. I like to wear a lot of blush, but like, not to the point where it look like I'm going to my Kensei. Y'all, but no, side note. Ain't y'all ready for my block to come back on? Because I'm so ready for my block to come back, like, because power over now. But y'all know what I'm really mad about? Why they cancel Star? Like, I know it been about a year, almost, just about, since they canceled Star, but I'm still heartbroken about that. Like, Star was a really good show, and the way that they ended it was trash. Like, it was a good. This brush is like good to put stuff on with, but like to blend it is not good. But it's really a good brush. I'm gonna take this little mauve shade because this is really like my favorite. I mean, it's kind of giving beauty supply store. I'm gonna try to put like some of this on right there. Look right there, just a little bit. I really don't know what I'm doing. Don't really know what I'm going for. But hey, just go with it. I'm gonna use this little fan brush. I probably should have washed it first, but oh well. No. No, like, where is it? It's just giving me chunky glitter. Y'all, do y'all see that? No. Hold on, let me see. It's like moves. It's wet, y'all. Like, oh my god. No. I mean, it shows up, but I don't like that. It looks chunky. Look. Okay. Let me see if I can finesse it real quick. Let's see. I'm getting Very much chunky. It was giving me that, remember that liquid, that mousse blush? I mean, I never used it, but like my mom had it. And I feel like I used to mess in it. Like I used to just press it because I thought it felt cool. I used to do stuff like that a lot. Sorry, Mom. And like, I feel like, ooh, I just got an idea of it. Let me see. I wonder if this will be cute. Oh, it's cute. Just dab it on here. This is cute. Okay. So I didn't completely waste my $1. I'm gonna test out this little, bro, like I don't like it. Like, it's not leaving. Like, leave. We don't want you at the party. Yeah, we might have invited you, but it's your time's up. Go. All right, y'all. So now, oh, this is an LA Colors pencil. So yeah, they just sell like kind of different, all different brands in there. Cause oils. Let's see. Yo, I thought these lip things was gonna be like NYX soft matte lip cream. I don't like the way it smells. Bro, nothing is coming out. Like, now I did not buy any of their lashes because, first of all, you already know we only do big blinks over here. I don't want any baby ass lashes. And then we had them baby ass lashes. But I did get their lash glue.
I'm not good at this. I got glue all over. Might try it. Might try it.
It look cute. Like, I will go outside with this on. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but right, y'all, so that's the finished look. Tell me what y'all think. Let me know, like, if y'all buy anything, like, tell me what y'all buy and tell me y'all experience. And yeah, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Make sure y'all subscribe.
If we hop in the Benz, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride of babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of bass.